Hi, game changers. Welcome to our first segment. Let's talk fine motor control. I created this nifty little creative controller simply by using like a clear latex glove and a green sticker. Today's game of choice is fallen fruit as we are making our therapy session functional as always. And so your patients will have to grab the fruit out of the air to work on those fine motor skills. Let's get to it. As you can see, my settings here, I have my timer set to only 1 minute. My difficulty level is going to be easy, so it's one bowl, one fruit. I have my speed going kind of slow, and I'm going to have the bowl stay in place, so we're going to keep it static, no swapping. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. I'm going to hit play, and now we load the game. So I have my controller here, and he has to reach and grab that banana out of the air, put it in his bowl, reach, grab, put it in the air. As you can see, we're mimicking how that monkey is grabbing a hold of that banana, and so am I. So I am reaching up and I'm coming down. Thank you all for joining this segment. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below.